Students, and now the time has come for the question answers. First question is, what could be some of the reasons for the migration of people from village to cities? So value points I have written: failure to crop production, for livelihood, for employment, and for the survival. So with the help of these points you can answer the question. Would you agree that promises made to poor children are rarely kept? Yes, you can write promises are only kept to the rich people, to the poor it is rarely kept. Why do you think this happens in the incidents narrated in the text? It happens in story because the author has asked just in a joking way. What forces conspire to keep the workers in the bangle industry of Firozabad in poverty? There are many things like moneylender, middlemen, police, bureaucrats, politicians, and above all, I think because they all have accepted their fate. Next is talking about the text. This also you have to do in your notebook. How, in your opinion, can Mukesh realize his dream? By his capacity to take courage, his strong willpower, his patience, his hard work, and firm will. Mention the hazards of working in the glass bangles industry. And there are health hazards. You can mention those, how they were doing work in the small room. Middlemen, policemen, loss of eyesight, risk of life, all these points. Why should child labor be eliminated and how? So very important question. They work in hazardous condition. Their childhood is stolen. They become adults soon. They are ill-fed. They are uneducated. So definitely it should be eliminated. Concrete efforts by government, and these are the measures. How can it be done? Concrete efforts by government, NGOs, political leaders, laws, and rehabilitations can help. And I have given 4 extra questions. This I will not discuss with you. You'll have to write on your own. The questions are: what is Mukesh's family attitude towards their situation? Describe Mukesh as an ambitious person. Sahib is no longer his own master. Comment on it. And last question is: whom does Anish Jung blame for the sorry plight, means poverty, of the bangle makers? Okay, so this way you have to complete this chapter. There is a mistake, let me correct it. Okay, so thank you. Because there is some time left for this session, so let me discuss a few more questions which you can just prepare, no need to write. Okay, Sahib Alam, which means the Lord of Universe. So this is exaggerating the fact. Someone's name is Sahib Alam and he is a rag picker. So what's the figure of speech? Hyperbole, right? Drowned in an air of desolation is metaphor. Simapuri, a place on the periphery of Delhi yet miles away from it. This is contrast. For the children it is wrapped in wonder. For the elders it is a means of survival. Again it is showing contrast. As her hands move mechanically like the tongue of a machine, like a robot. So here like simile. She still has bangles on her wrist but no light in her eyes. It is again contrast. Few airplanes fly over Firozabad. So this is a hyperbole. Web of poverty, metaphor. Scrounging for gold, metaphor. Survival in Simapuri means rag picking. Again it is hyperbole. And the steel canister seems heavier than the plastic bag is contrast. Okay, I hope you will complete your work. Thank you. Keep on giving your reviews. Must ask if you have any doubts. Okay, bye.